Good morning, Year 2, Tuesday's writing lesson. Today we're going to be writing, or beginning to write, our non-chronological reports about penguins. For the first half of today's session, we would like you to continue with your research and note-taking from yesterday. On Padlet, you should now be able to see work from other children in Year 2. Please have a look at this to gain additional information and research about different topics that you might want to include in your writing. Pause the video now and go and spend about 20 minutes on your research. Once you're ready, come back and we'll start the introduction together. Welcome back. I hope you've got all your research ready to go. The first thing we would like you to do is turn to your adult and remind them what a non-chronological report or a non-fiction text is. What does it look like and what does it need to include? I'll give you a couple of minutes. Pause the video, go and talk to them and then come back with your answer. Well done, remembering that the non-chronological report is a non-fiction report written not in time order. You'll need to include lots of things, so now's a time to remind you of those features. Open up one of the non-fiction texts about penguins from book talk, reading or writing over the previous week and see if you can spot the features at the bottom of the page now. A clear title, headings, subheadings, writing in full sentences and paragraphs to show different information, technical vocabulary, pictures to illustrate the information, captions on the pictures and labelled diagrams. Go and have a look now and see what you can find. Well done if you managed to spot all of those features in the text. Now it's your turn to have a go at the introduction. A really good introduction needs to introduce your reader to the overall topic of the non-fiction report. It will need to explain or tell your reader the facts that will engage them into wanting to read more. For our penguin report, you might like to include answers to the following: what a penguin is, why penguins are different to other birds, where they live, or any other general facts that you may think could engage your reader. So now it's your turn to write. First, you need to decide on the title of your report. Here are some ideas to get you started, but we're really excited to see what you come up with by yourself. Using the research from the different books on the Padlet, you'll be able to find answers to the following questions. I've typed some short, quick notes next to the questions, which will help you if you do not have access to a book. When you're writing your introduction, remember you need to explain or tell your reader these things in a factual way, making sure that it's really clear what you're trying to tell them.